In this video, we explore customer-vendor integration in SAP, also known as CVI. This functionality is a key component of the data model simplification in SAP S/4HANA and specifically affects the management of customer and supplier master data. The goal of the integration is to consolidate both types of master data into a unified platform, the business partner. In earlier SAP ERP systems, customers and vendors were managed separately through dedicated transactions, leading to duplicated data maintenance efforts and inconsistencies, particularly when a business partner fulfilled both roles. With the introduction of SAP S/4HANA, this model was consolidated. Customer-vendor integration ensures that all customer and vendor data is bundled within a single object, the business partner, often abbreviated as BP. The business partner now serves as the central master data object for all relevant business partners, regardless of whether they are customers, vendors, or a combination of both. In the SAP system, business partner maintenance is performed via the transaction BP. Upon launching the transaction, a unified interface opens where all relevant roles, views, and assignments can be maintained. The system distinguishes between general data, such as name, address, and communication details, and role-specific data, such as company code-specific or sales area-specific information. A business partner who acts as both a customer and a vendor is maintained in the system as a central object with multiple roles. During creation, the business partner is directly assigned both the role FLCU00, customer, and FLVN00, vendor. This allows all customer and vendor-specific information to be maintained within a single master record. Depending on the selected role, the system automatically displays the relevant views, enabling financial and logistical data to be centrally entered and maintained. This integrated approach reduces maintenance effort and ensures a consistent databases. In the background, customer-vendor integration ensures that a corresponding customer and/or vendor is automatically generated from the business partner. These objects are still technically required, for example for financial accounting or payment processing, but are no longer maintained manually. Instead, configuration is handled via CVI customizing. This includes defining number ranges, synchronization settings, and mandatory fields required for mapping between the business partner and customer or vendor roles. A particularly important aspect is the synchronization of existing customer and vendor master data. As part of a system conversion to SAP S/4HANA, these records must be migrated into the new business partner model. SAP provides specialized migration and synchronization tools for this purpose. These tools can be used to check whether all required information is present, and existing customer or vendor records can then be transferred to business partners, including the appropriate assignment of roles, company codes, purchasing organizations, and sales areas. In summary, customer-vendor integration is a core element of the unified master data strategy in SAP S/4HANA. It enables organizations to manage their business partner data in a centralized, consistent, and process-oriented manner.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.